Hello, viewers. You all are welcome to my YouTube channel Learning for Success. And in today's video, I'm going to discuss about the medical fitness certificate of Union Bank of India. So please watch this video till the end. And if this video will help you in any manner, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. So, this video is important for all the POs, SOs, and clerks who are selected in the Union Bank of India, Corporation Bank, and Andhra Bank. So, please watch this video. So, you guys know that medical certificate is very important part of document verification, and bank will not give you joining until you get to fit in medical certificate. So you have to provide your medical fitness certificate at the time of document verification to the bank. So medical fitness certificate is very important for your joining, and this medical fitness certificate format you can download from the bank's website, and you have to submit with this certificate your medical reports because bank asked for it. Medical report, bank give you two options that you can made your certificate from two hospitals. Either you can made from the government hospital or from the tie-up hospital, but you have to submit your medical fitness certificate at the time of DV. So you have to make your medical fitness certificate before the DV date. So you this time you have two options from where you can get your medical fitness certificate. First is government medical officer and second is tie-up hospital. If you want to uh, go government hospital, and if you want to get your medical fitness certificate from government medical officer, then you can go any government hospital in your respective area and get it from that hospital with reports. Otherwise, bank will send you to the tie-up hospital. Some government hospitals are not providing reports, then you have option that uh, you can done your medical test via a private lab, and then again you can get sign from the government medical officer. And the second option is a tie-up hospital. The name of the hospital will be provided by the your respective FMGO when they will tell you about the document verification date. So if you want to do your medical certificate from tie-up hospital, then wait for the uh, your FMGO's mail. There will be mentioned the name of the tie-up hospital. So if you thinking about the government hospital option, and you want to get your medical fitness certificate from the government hospital, then you have to take their format of the medical certificate and do all the tests that mentioned in the your medical certificate format. And if hospital didn't provide hospital doesn't provide all these tests within the hospital, then you have option you can get these tests from the private lab. And after the reports of these medical tests, you can get a sign from the government medical officer. There should be registration number on the stamp should be mentioned. Otherwise, bank will not accept your medical fitness certificate. So if you are thinking about the government hospital, then it is also easy, and you can get your medical certificate from any government hospital in your respective area. But the important thing is that you have to submit your reports as well. because bank clearly said on their mail that they want reports, your medical test reports for the bank's record, so you have to submit them at the time of DV. Second option is a tie-up hospital. If you don't want to get your medical fitness certificate from government hospital, then you can get it from the tie-up hospital. The name of the tie-up hospitals will be provided by your respective FMGO. It will be a private hospital, and you just have to go there with your medical fitness certificate format and charges that will be provided by the your FMGO in the mail. All the details of the tie-up hospital will be provided by the respective FMGOs in your in DV mail, where date, time, mention will, and your tie-up hospital address, everything will be given on the DV mail, so you can get your medical fitness certificate from the tie-up hospital. It's little costly, but you can get it your medical certificate very easily. You don't have to go here and there, and you just have to go the hospital, and you have to do all the medical test, and all the reports will be provided by the tie-up hospital, and you don't need to worry about that all the tests will be done or not by the tie-up hospital, because tie-up hospital know about the bank, and they will definitely done all the tests according to the bank's format. So I will suggest you that you should, if you can afford, then you should go for a tie-up hospital's medical fitness certificate, because it will be you will get easily, and it will be acceptable by the bank, and bank will not stop you and accept it very easily. So if you like this video, then please press the like button, share it, and subscribe my channel for all other videos related to these important topics. And thanks for watching.